Here's the view.
Check it out.
Yeah. But yes, look nice too. I should have gone and go see what I got in there. In there. It's a little complex. A meat shop supposed to be here so as well. Another restaurant there. Yardman style. So two, a black cat. Suya spot. Sunjam now turn Nigerian restaurant. Huh?
Remember, you don't want to get the other one. What about this one?
Is it ripe?
I don't know. It's okay?
No, it's green.
Green? You feel so good.
Huh? Woolwich Market. Huh? And I bread. Let me see.
How come the bracelet?
Yeah, the bracelet is for 79 and the chain is for 119. Yeah? I like choker. Huh? I'm free. Oh, you get it, come with it. Oh, it's a free bracelet worth. Also, if you buy that, you get the bracelet as well. You want lip gloss, mama? You need to pay for it. What did you put in
Give
up?
you good price, ma'am. Come.
Huh?
You don't have nothing.
Oh.
Sister, what was it you looking for? Sister.
Yeah, see if them have them little tissue as well.
Chinese meat, total would
Today is booby shopping day.
You want a lip gloss?
And today is the shopping segment with Booby. Booby shopping segment. Okay, which color is the better color? These are washing up stuff. Hard to reach. I'll get the gray. Let's pick up them line here. Can use them for clothesline or anything else. None over here, so. So when I pawn shop, I get a few stuff. You find them? Know me? Know me? What happened? Huh? You like that? What is it? What's inside it? So today is booby shopping day, yeah? I didn't say it was a shop. I said it's today is booby shopping day. Is that all you want? Alright, let's go this way.
Don't share.
Body glass?
The plate.
Oh. Booby, come. How much come inside? One? How much inside?
That's a set.
Oh, it's just, okay.
Yeah. Take this one.
Do I get it?
Yeah. Coupon.
That's our don't go to play.
No, these is clothesline, Booby. I want them. You see, we come not to shop and we shopping, no? Always.
Ruby, come.
Come, darling. The non-stick baking tray.
That's our can't.
Baking tray to bake. We have some of these, huh? Do we have some?
Yeah.
I want to try baking, you know.
I have these things as well. Come to the
No, like these to bake, like banana cake. Mama, come. Banana bread.
Ruby, come.
Booby, come. Booby not listening. She in her own element right now. She sees so many things that she wants. I need to get one of these. Tenderizer. You beat me till it's sick. What else I want here? Oh, I need one of these things, but I would rather get the metal one. Like when I do chips and stuff, I can use it. Can use it to take the chips out of the pot. I need one of these spatula as well. Wooden spatula. Booby! If I come to buy nothing but end up I buy loads of stuff. Stuff them inside. Stuff them inside this basket. Put the stuff inside, Mama. Good girl. You want to pull it? Hold it properly. Come, let's. Huh? I don't know what to get. Booby, what do you want here, so? You wanna get some of these? We're gonna get the big one there, Mama.
This one. Look at this one.
Hmm? These things? I don't know.
This one, the M&M bunny.
There's some Easter stuff, Mars bars.
I like this.
You like this?
Yeah.
Because
Put it in the
like when you take it, when you take snap,
cheeky box.
when I'm take it.
These ones?
Yeah.
Daddy, I think the doctor wants that.
I want to take this one.
Huh?
So Smarties.
Can you pull it down, Mama?
Stop that.
Look where you're going. You have to look where you're going.
Daddy, what kind?
I'm on the green one. Stop pushing it down. You have to pull it up. Yeah. Put your stuff inside as well. Got that already. We didn't come to shop, but we can't walk past any shop and not buy. This is why I don't like to come Woolies, because whenever I come here, I always shopping. What did you say, Mama?
I think the guys would like it.
You think the guys would like that?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. You like go shopping? I know that.
Daddy, what are these? I don't know what it is.
What these?
Yeah.
They are markers and pens.
What? I don't like
You remember these things?
Daddy,
I used to like them as well.
Daddy, I remember these. That's why I like them. Okay. Daddy,
I'll try a strawberry one. Papa gonna eat this.
why do you don't like it?
No.
Daddy, I have to say like
2 for free, man. Sweet and salty popcorn.
Daddy, I think so.
What flavor is this one, you see? Oh, caramel. caramel flavor. Never tried this one before. Gonna try this one instead. Okay, let's go then. I think I better leave right now. Sorry. Before I fall any deeper. Are we doing the self checkout? Yeah. What's so funny? Hmm? You pretty fit. You helping mommy? You get one of them Easter bunny. You know which one better now anymore, no? Cause
Take it. Why you leave it nice?
I think I'm gonna just get the maybe get the HTB or Yummy. Me not even know national. May I get the HTB? Yeah. This as well. Yes. And them stuff there. Look how much with the cheese. So these man selling everything now, watch ya. Man them have a juicy patty now. Juicy patty with foreign now. And them have everything now inside. Yummy bun. Some salt mackerel on there so. Grace coconut water. Everything there. Thing.